I'm going to do a video here on why the Affinity and Benelli shotguns sometimes misfire, and it has to do with this inertia bolt. And I've seen people talk about this on the internet, but they've never shown a video, so I'm going to do this right now. Right now I'm showing you the inertia bolt closed, in the closed position. You can see that kind of a emblem there. But as you're loading this gun, or if you're changing a shell out, or if you accidentally bump the handle here and push it back a little bit and do it gently, if it closes and doesn't close fully, and you see the F, like in this gun, the Franchi F shows up, that means the bolt is not in a locked position. You have to reach down, and you can do this quietly. You don't have to slam the bolt closed, which worried me when I first got this gun, because here I'd be out in the turkey blind and you hear all this calling, and all of a sudden you look down and see your bolts open and you need to close it somehow. I didn't like to slam it, but I learned you can just reach down and pull it forward in a counterclockwise position, and now it's closed again and it'll fire. Once again, pull it back or bump it, it's in a non-fire position. If you pull the trigger right there, it will not fire. Reach down, pull up on this little extractor, pull up like I'm going to go counterclockwise, turn the bolt upwards, and it'll close and it'll fire at that position. But otherwise, this thing will not fire. And I've had this happen on 2 different turkeys. I did kill both turkeys. I had to ratchet a new shell in there very quickly and was lucky enough to get a shot off. But this is the problem. And people talk about the Benelli click or the Franchi click. That's what happens. These the inertia-driven bolts have to actually rotate to lock into place. And if they're not locked in like it is right now, this is a non-locked in position with the F showing. Now I'm going to reach down, showing the F, and I'm going to rotate it upward toward me and close. And you saw the handle go forward a little bit. That means it's in a locked position, will fire right there. So I hope that helps some of you out there turkey hunting or duck hunting or whatever you're doing with a Franchi or Benelli. I've just never ever seen anybody on the internet show that, and I thought it was important enough to post a little short video to help people out so that they won't accidentally. Always look down before you get ready to shoot a bird or whatever. When I'm calling a turkey in, the first thing I do is I make sure everything in the blind or where I'm sitting on the ground is concealed, but I also look down and make sure this bolt is closed so this thing will fire from now on. All right, best of luck to everybody. Have a great day. Bye.